Hi students, in this video discuss about on triggers. First of all, introduction. Triggers are stored in the programs which are automatically executed or fired when the events are occur. The triggers are in fact written and executed in response for three events: the data manipulation statement and data definition statement and database operations. The trigger can be defined the table, view, schema or database and which event is associated. Benefits of trigger. Trigger can return the following purpose: generating some derived column values automatically, enforcing the preferential integrity, the event logging and storing information, table access, auditing, synchronizing application of tables, imposing security authentication, preventing invalid, creating triggers. The syntax is create or replace trigger, trigger name before or after instead of insert or update or delete of column name or column table name. The reference old as O, new as new. For in each row, when is condition, declarative statement and executable statement, then exception handling statement. For example, to start with the customer table created by previous chapter, the following program create the low level trigger of customers table and we would like to fire the insert or update or delete the operation performed on the customer table. The trigger will display on the salary difference between old values and new values. Triggering a trigger. Let's perform some DML operation. The customer table, here one insert statement will be use new record. When your record is created, the customer table, the above create trigger displaying salary changes will be fired on the display following statement: old salary, new salary,